Hey everybody, in this video, got a GoPro Hero 7 here. It's an amazing camera. I like to do videos though where I'm always kind of walking around and then maybe I need to clip it on a tripod or clip it on a desk or something. And so I have this mount, and I'll put links to all this stuff in the description. So this mount actually clips on things, like it'll clip on my workbench, but it won't really clip on a tripod. So what I want to do is actually make a mount that this will actually attach to a tripod real easy and take off and put back on. So we're going to do that out of some 1-inch PVC, as the diameter's big enough where it's going to sit in there. It's sturdy and everything, and it's cheap. I mean, a 10-foot piece of this costs like $4, but you can buy this like a 2-foot piece or 18-inch piece. I don't know how much I paid for it, but I mean, it's cheap. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to just thread it so we can screw it onto the tripod. Now, I think I'd like it to stick out about this far. You can eyeball it, play around with it, whatever. So I'm gonna just cut it right here. All right, so we've got it cut here. It's maybe like an 8-inch section, but it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want with it. It's pretty flexible. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually drill and thread a hole. I'm just gonna mark it right here, right next to the dash there on the Schedule 40. And to do that, it has to be 1/4 by 20 for it to thread onto a tripod. So you can get, a 1/4 by 20 tap, or you can buy one of these things by DeWalt. It's actually it's a tap and a drill bit combined, so it actually drills the hole and taps it in one fell swoop there. So now that our hole's drilled and tapped, it should screw onto our plate. Yeah, if you wanted to, you could drill another hole in it for the little detent to pop into, but you don't have to. So now that's threaded and tapped here, screwed on. All right, so we got the on our tripod here, and got a GoPro mounted like so, and you're able to just simply clip it on. You move it around, whatever you want to do. And if you need to take it off to go walk around and do something, you can. You can go walk up. Like for me, I'll be walking to my work truck there, and I'll be able to just clip it right onto my workbench and film whatever I'm doing over there. And then go back to the door and clip it back onto my tripod. So anyway, it's a really easy way to make a mount to clip one of these clip mounts to. For like under $5, if you already have the tap and die, it's under $5. If not, you can buy a tap for this one here that's got the bit and the tap built into it. It's like $8, but you can buy just a tap with a separate drill bit for cheaper than that. And I'll put links in the description to all this stuff. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. If it helps you out, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that'll do it for now. And we'll talk to everybody later.